Google, turn on the light. Okay, now you can actually see, this is where I keep all my tools, and this, as you know, is the axe of motherfucking destruction, because the stick of destruction is made of wood and it's too fucking brittle, god damn it. So, put all the tools drawer away, and let's put the GoPro on and let's get the fuck outside. Okay, so hand channel mode is activated. Here we are outside and it's time for destruction. I don't wear gloves because, well, I like getting deep and dirty. You know, it's like big showering. And today we have a vtech. Oh, my neighbor would love that. Oh, the rest of it's coming out with it. We'll not use the axe on this one because this one, oh, this one deserves something different than the axe. I'm gonna say that. It's a beautiful morning, so it's time to disturb the peace the 20E's way by fucking this really hard at the ground till it smashes. Woo! One! Ha ha ha! Two! Ha ha ha! We're in! All of the pins on that are fucked already. Oh, this looks fun, yeah? Yeah, there's no turning on anymore, that's for sure. Oh, someone's ringing me. It's for my boot. That's what my boot has to say. My boot says hello. This is satisfying to stomp on. I'm gonna say that at least. Where's the phone to go with it? Ah, yes. This isn't the phone to go with it. Oh, that almost went over the fence. Oh, I can't answer because the phone's in two. Ah, there's the good old vtech. Uniross. What is this, the 90s? Do not short circuit or incinerate. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to incinerate these. They're there for later. Now meanwhile, let's just fuck it at the ground. These are fucking projectiles. So that's the first throw. Second throw. Okay, this is officially better than that piece of shit here. What the fuck is this? Binatone? Fucking buy a new phone. vtech is going and going. These ones look really fun. What a way to disturb the peace. It is 9:30 in the morning. What else can I be doing right now? Yo, that was one hell of a hit. It broke the phone open, I think. Or is this the Binatone one? Yeah, it's the Binatone one. Fucking get out of here, you fucking... Oh, mate, your screen's black. Oh, it looks like you have to... Oh, no screen anymore. This is really satisfying. This is definitely not making it into the last cut. You know what, fuck it, I'll put that in. Then repeat it after saying this. This is definitely not making it into the last cut. Oh, you can't unplug it this time? Well, guess what? That aim is immense, bro. I smacked that circuit board. Oh, I hit it again. Another time. Oh, I missed that time. Ah! We fucking... Give me my fucking wire. There we go. Hello? You fucking what, mate? Hello? My mom's what? My mom isn't gay, you fuckwad. Oh, Energizer. Fuck it, they're all fucked anyway, aren't they? Seeing as this is the last phone, I didn't bring this out for no reason. So, hold on, let me put this axe over there. So, threatening helpfulness aside, let's chop this in half. Whoa.
That's a lot of damage.
This did surprisingly well. Let's keep going at it. It disappeared? What the fuck? Where did that go? Oh wait, that's the other one. Where did it go? I actually have no idea where the hell that landed. There's a piece of ice. Oh, I missed. Well, I suppose that one disappeared. Yeah, not even I know where the fuck that went. I heard noises and it disappeared somewhere. This is what's left of it. Yeah, this speaker's probably really fucked. Let's blow it up later. Meanwhile, this one... Oh yeah, it works really well. Here's another speaker to blow up. Mate, this thing is brutal. Yo! Oh, it's on it! Where did the other... Things are disappearing when I use this and I like it. And that's how you split a circuit board using a hatchet. To be specific, a 1 pound camp axe with tubular steel shaft. Big Sharon loves shafts. There's another speaker in the pile. And you break a phone, and you break a phone, and you... You can fuck off. In fact, for fucking doing that... Oh, I'm getting something else for you. You wanna attack me, eh? Oh, attack this. Fuck you. Alright, everybody around the campfire. Oh yes. Get around the campfire. Get around the campfire. It's like cooking sausages. You attacking me, cunt? Well, I'll fucking attack you. Let's throw some lithium batteries in on this. Holy shit. Okay, it does not like that. Let's see what an iPod battery can do. Waiting. 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 Still waiting. I'm just gonna chuck this one on now. Shit. This doesn't want to go. That woman's gonna be like, okay, what the hell is going on in that garden? Fucking subscribe. Yo, there's fire on my... Oh, I was gonna take the fire axe to a whole new level. Like this fucking video. How is that lithium battery not went yet? Come on, go, 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 go. I'm inhaling so many fucking fumes right now. Fucking shite I've inhaled. It's actually not even funny. I should probably be behind like some blast shield or something. I do not feel safe if there's not a hole in that. Oh shit, I'm spreading the fire. That one's not happy. I'm just cooking breakfast, boys. Consume! Well, I honestly thought setting it on fire would have been a lot more fucking eventful than that. And it's going out slowly but surely. Do not fucking try this at home. I've inhaled enough fumes. What the fuck? What the fuck? This is the biggest disaster I've ever seen in my life. Looks like someone forgot to empty it of all water before fucking ice set in. How the fuck did that battery survive? Oh, I'm not happy about that. That battery survived the fucking fire. You taking the piss? See that shit coming off it? You need to subscribe to my fucking channel right this instant. I'm inhaling this. I have no mask. All I have is a pair of safety glasses. You have to subscribe to my channel. And I'm destroying my parents' fucking hose thing. I'll buy them a new one. I have video evidence of it being fucked. That's what you get for fucking soaking me, you old shit. Fuck you, cunt. Yeah, mate, my dad's got a vtech in his car. Nah, mate. My ma's got a vtech in her house, son.